In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays in Nutshell CRM. Capturing birthdays is a simple way to personalize your outreach and build stronger relationships. By storing this information properly, you'll be able to filter contacts, set up reminders, and celebrate customer milestones without extra effort. Let's walk through the cleanest way to add a birthday field so your whole team can use it consistently. Start by logging into your Nutshell CRM account. Once you're in, head to your account settings. Depending on your plan or user permissions, this may appear under an admin or organization area. But what you're looking for is the section labeled Custom Fields. That's where you define the specific data points you want your team to track across the CRM. Before you add anything, decide where the birthday should live. Birthdays almost always belong to a person, meaning an individual contact, not a company or a lead. Assigning it to person keeps the data tied directly to the individual, which is what you'll want for personal messages and date-based reminders. If your workflow is unique, you can choose differently, but person is the standard and most useful choice. Now click the option to add a new custom field. A pop-up will appear with a few important choices. Give your field a clear, recognizable name such as birthday or date of birth. Pick something your entire team will instantly understand. If you already have a naming convention for custom fields, follow it here to keep things uniform. Next, set the field type to date. This ensures you get a proper date picker, consistent formatting, and better reporting and filtering. Choosing the date type also prevents inconsistent entries like text variations, which makes the data more reliable across your account. You'll see an optional description area. This is a great place to add a short note explaining how the field should be used, especially if you manage many custom fields. For example, you might note that it's intended for a contact's birthday and should be entered using the date picker. A simple description helps teammates, reduces mistakes, and makes future data cleanups easier. Once you're happy with the name, type, and description, save the custom field. From now on, the birthday field will appear on person records in Nutshell, ready to be filled in during contact creation or updates. Keeping this standardized ensures your data is usable for filters and reminders later on. That's it. You've added a clear, consistent birthday field to your CRM. Keep it simple, keep it uniform, and your outreach will feel more personal without extra work.